Alright, what's going on YouTube? We're back in the Q50 after a good while.
You will arrive at 7:03 p.m.
And so right now we're on our way to a meet hosted by Drive Sideways. It's a little JDM Meet over at his restaurant. So we're gonna be heading there. I don't know why Google Maps took me this way, but
continue on West Broad Street for 1 mile.
This is really the one place where, this is the one town in Texas where people drive slow as fuck in the left lane. Man. Look at this. I'm not even going the limit yet, and hold on. I'm going 45. That's the limit, and look at that. I'm passing it. Watching on this sort of like curve, because it's about to curve again. People normally haul ass. I don't know about this one, but I don't know. Man, I'm going like 50, and yeah, so this is where people like to haul ass, but not on the actual roads. So I don't know. We'll haul a little bit of ass once we get to like Cedar Hill or like Grand Prairie. Once we get to that area, I don't want to do it here. There's a lot of cops, especially in these newer like areas of town. Especially. Alright guys, watch this 45 become a 2. Watch this.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto South Grand Peninsula Drive. At the light, turn right onto South Grand Peninsula Drive.
Oh, that's weird. I've never had to go right here. That's weird.
South Grand Peninsula Drive for 1.5 miles. In a quarter mile, use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto Lake Ridge Parkway.
Oh, okay, I see where this is. We just basically cut
At
a
the
lot.
light, use the right
Alright.
2 lanes to turn right onto Lake Ridge Parkway.
I swear, because I be using Waze, Apple Maps, and Google Maps. They all just make you do something different.
Continue for 6 miles.
They all make you go completely different places. It's weird going back and forth. Last time I ended up going on the highway for this. Man, just waiting for them to fix this bridge, bro. That's crazy. We're going 40. People used to like haul ass. The limit here is like 50 normally. People used to like haul ass going 70, 80. Fuck it, I guess it's just Texas. It's just Texas. You know, that could be us. That could be us once we start doing mods to this thing. Eventually. I don't know, driving the C7 and all that, I kind of just want my very own V8. And then while I was in Mexico visiting family, I learned how to drive manual. Well, a little bit. I'm not the best at it, but you know, I can get from point A to point B. And I kind of just want a V8 now. So, you know, I can drive stick here in the US. But, you know, the mods for this car are like cheap compared to like V8s, and like they're still expensive, but it's like I still want to just drive a V8 because this car kind of does get boring, you know. Only thing is, the only V8 I could really afford is a Mustang, and I don't like Mustangs. Bad transmission, you know, they got that crowd killer, and also I don't think they sound very good. I don't think they're good sounding cars. I like Camaros, but they don't lose their value for shit. I'll go on Facebook, you know, 100,000 mile 2011 Camaros for like 50K. It's a SS. What? No, that's, you know, that's pushing it, but you know, y'all know what I really mean. Yeah, man. So hopefully, once we get to this, to the meet, I want to record a bunch of stuff on my phone for YouTube Shorts, and then I want to get this little, you know, taking the Q50 to JDM Meet. Yeah, man, the shorts are doing really good. The C7 one, really good. Yeah, the full video didn't do too well, but you know, that's okay. That's okay. First video, 2024. We got to start out small and then work our way up. But yeah, man, I love that other car. I love this car too. I want to put, you know, content on both of them. I really want to just put stuff out for both of them. I love both cars. I love this car. I love the other car. I want to build this car on the channel. The money ain't really coming in yet. Just in general, you know, working on that. Much money on this car. You know, I graduate high school this year. You know, we're really, you know, I'm not like making the money, you know, once I start like really getting that money, I'm not really gonna be able to spend it here. I have to put that towards college or like my future, you know, like starting a business or something. Anyway, we're gonna try to at least do the bare minimum for this car. I want to at least do 500 wheel, at least 500 wheel. That's not hard. Full bolt-on drive shaft or full bolt-on ethanol, and that's pretty much how you get there. Not even E85, E30. You can run that stock fuel, so you know. We'll get this car up there, and yeah, man, 500 wheel horsepower Q50. I'll start putting that in all the titles. Alright, so we're pretty much down the street from the meet. What's yeah, this is 392. But anyway, we're down the street from the meet, so I'll cut the video to when we're there. Hi YouTube, we here. Shit.
So first, so you want
Oh shit. How y'all doing?
that video said on the this could be us. Slide number 3. Legal is a good thing, right?
Oh shit, we got Didi's car. We already know the history I got with these.
Which is Toyota Camrys and Nissans or what?
Got a fucking Viper right here. Yeah, he's at like Cars and Coffee and stuff too sometimes.
I could have had him driving the R8, right? Or it's just too expensive? Because just to put in an intake $2,000, fuck that, I can do that myself.